As abnormal as business might be right now, as abnormal the whole world is right now, this crisis is opportunity. To the lions, for the people who are hungry, this crisis represents the best opportunity in a while to do something new. Try something new and take that risk starting something you know you can with the right help, right? Our company is one of those. You can't stop us during these times, and I want things to stay as abnormal as possible. I don't want normal business, man. Normal business sucks because you can only get normal profits. I want it to stay irrational. I want expansion. I want the irrational profits, big thinking, growth mindset. Maybe you've heard it, right? I'm writing a book called The Online Millionaire, talking about what it takes to become an online millionaire in today's world online. Maybe you studied one of my 7 best-selling business courses, right? Maybe you studied one of my best-selling entrepreneurship, sales, or e-commerce or finance courses. I've been consulting entrepreneurs on how to grow their companies and how to build sales systems that work, that are scalable from all around the world daily for the last 2 years now. And I'm ready for this crash. I hope you are. I want to get you ready, help you become immune in this next crash or pullback or whatever's going on. I want to help you get ready for all the opportunities that this crash is going to create.